We collect butterflies inside the forest, like using the traps and also catching nets. We breed them and we do export. The plants you see here, they are food plants for different butterflies. They have put some eggs on this food plant here. I give them the food plants and then they'll feed here like 3 weeks, and then they'll form a pupa when I'll harvest and take them to the market. I'll move them slowly, very slowly, careful, don't break them. And then I keep them in a container. This one was almost $1. Today is on a market day, so this one is going to take to Kipepeo project to go and sell to get money from the butterfly. In the area we are coming from, we don't have any industry for the employment. The farm are not producing a lot, but when you depend on the butterfly, you are getting enough money to educate our kids and also to pay for the school fees and also to buy food for the family. Collection of the butterfly is very important. It helps us to conserve this forest here. Instead of coming here cutting trees to sell, we conserve the forest. We protect the forest from other community members. We give them an awareness that the forest is very important to us.
When we have activities in the forest, replanting of trees, we do snare walks where we go into the forest and remove snares of where people are trapping animals. The first people to get involved are butterfly farmers. They value the forest. They know that their livelihoods are tied to the forest. The absence of the forest would mean the fall of their livelihood.
Nature Kenya came in to assist the farmers to be able to get the building materials.
Training includes building their capacity to learn to grow butterflies in their own homes, just like livestock or any other cash crop.
The people who have the knowledge like me, they are able to take to the other part of this country to go and educate other community members how they can do butterfly farming. Instead of destroying the forest, they can benefit from the same forest without destroying the forest.
If there was no support from somebody, butterfly farming would not have started. DOF is a supporter or funding agency. Nature Kenya facilitates, and government institutions and other NGOs come together and implement something that they believe is most important for the forest, to conserve it, to sustain it, and to keep it here in perpetuity.
The major components of our project is to participate participatory forest management and to increase participatory forest management to reduce the pressure on the forest and biodiversity. The activity we are doing in this forest with local CBOs is to reduce the pressure on the forest by giving them some of the income generating activities and giving some training related and important for the conservation of the forest. So they can use such type of training to conserve their forest and reduce pressure on the forest of Resunga.
छाँटकाट गरेर कसलाई काठ दाउराहरू चाहियो भने राम्रोसँग बिक्री वितरण गरेर हाम्रो गाउँ स्कुलहरुमा यस्तो संस्थाहरुमा यो लगानी गरेर हामीले गाउँ राम्ररी चलाउनको लागि हट्याको बनमारा खाता दिएको वनको समिति अध्यक्षसँग कुरा राख्न अझै मैले भएको छैन भयो 10-15 दिन अब यस्तो समयले यस्तै समयले नभ्याउने कोहीले पनि नै नपुग्दा भयो छैन अरु त राम्रै महत्त्वपूर्ण भन्दा पनि हाम्रो महत्त्वपूर्ण यो
We are giving some importance of the forest and how to preserve, and we give some of the technical classes how to protect the forest, how to grow a better tree.
भयो त्यही हो त्यस्तो गरिन्छ अब समितियान रोइयो कडा पनि गरिन्छ यहाँ देख्दा यस्तो हैसा लिएर वनमा हिँड्यो भने को हो के हो नाम पनि टिपिन्छ आफ्नो आफ्नो भेगका समिति छम वनलाई त यसलाई त एकदम अहिले त सुरक्षा छ अब त्यो रातिमा आएर गेन्ने गोतिला बुटा त त्यो त के गर्न सकिएन कसैले गर्ला होला त्यस्तो तर यसै चाहिँ पहिला भन्दा त कति फरक परेछ परे
If they have such type of knowledge or awareness, and I think it is a kind of empowerment, so they can conserve the forest.
Ida hagira ba guchira amma baba
mugashobo nyine hati ndihamo mugano nyine gwa bomire naza kuguza ndihamo kasabo nani kini ndigo ndombekesha kunga minsi yo kutaha
to kokula shana ga mazikaranya narure
mukashobo chine tena kumanya yaba season hari kumera byinji kandi yaba no kutema batemera munonga zatuyamba kumanya yaba urugano ruri rucagumize mu kukura inga yaba uri kucendera kukura kuko batware bahatarime ibyana bitutura mangurugano
kuwa papire
we want them to own the forest better, and secondly we want the communities to be able to advocate for better forestry management practices. It's necessary because we have to realize that we have a big population that is targeting, that is looking at this resource. So we have to kind of regulate the harvesting to ensure that it's sustainable, so that we have people coming in to take what they are supposed to take and leaving the younger behind, so that the future generations can also be able to get this resource. We hope that with more involvement of the communities, the development partners and other concerned stakeholders, we should be able to address some of these threats. And to me, I see Echuya being a better forest,
so long as the communities and other stakeholders are involved in this management. We want the monitoring to go on for many years, even after the project has ended. So we have to ensure that the communities understand it, love it, so that they are able to take it up for decades.